hecho nos gusta que a las islas veremos una gran cantidad de barcos. Mismos se encuentran a la espera de su turno para pasar por el canal de Panamá. Debido a los bajos niveles de aguas que desafortunadamente hoy día tenemos en el canal, a veces el tiempo de espera de estos barcos ahí puede llegar a ser de hasta 5 días. At your right side near to the island, you are able to see so many ships that waiting their time to pass through the Panama Canal. Due to the low-level water, unfortunately, we have nowadays the Panama Canal. Sometimes the waiting time for those vessels could be around 5 days. Welcome to Flamenco Island. Bienvenidos a la isla Flamenco. This item we have the restaurant Bucaneros. You get 15% discount by trying the ticket from City Sightseeing. En esta isla contamos con el restaurante Bucaneros. Obtienes un 15% de descuento al mostrar tu ticket de City Sightseeing Panama. Couple seconds we will be making our stop during 10 minutes. This place you are going to find duty free and board at the Panama sign. You will be able to purchase some snacks and little waters or just to use the public restroom. Remember 10 minutes and then we continue. If by any chance you miss this bus, remember there will be another bus to catch right here around 1 hour, 50 minutes. Or like 50 minutes approximate time. Entonces que yo les seguíamos en una pequeña parada durante